If the text or content on a website, document, image, or app, or even your desktop seems too large or close up, you can easily zoom out to display more content on the screen. Now in this quick video tutorial, we will show you different ways on how to zoom out on your Windows PC. For the first method you can try, use the keyboard of your computer. All you have to do is just click on the page or location which you want to zoom out, then press and hold the Control key, then press the minus key on your keyboard. Now this can make everything in the selected area appear smaller. But if you want to zoom back in, you can just switch pressing the plus key instead. Additionally, you'd also use your mouse. Just click again the page or location you want to zoom out, then press and hold the Control key and scroll down the mouse wheel downward. Now as you scroll down, the view of the selected page or windows will change to display more at once. Lastly, you can always decrease the size of the text, image, or apps everywhere if you want a more permanent solution. So do it by opening Settings, go to System, choose Display, then click this drop-down menu, and set a smaller number to zoom out everywhere, making the details appear smaller on the screen. Once done, you can adjust the resolution if you want to as well. And those are different methods on how to zoom out on a Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.